Hello everyone. Let's talk about the reasons why you should drink lemon water every single day. The ordinary individual is unaware of the full advantages of drinking lemon water, which are very astonishing. Lemon water has several health advantages, so if you aren't currently taking use of them, you should. We're not referring to the sugary lemonade that kids in movies sell for 50 cents a glass. No, the focus of this video is on the health benefits of drinking water with fresh lemon juice. Even though people are aware of the benefits of drinking water, occasionally they prefer a beverage with a little more flavor. This does not imply that you should open a soda right away. To get the incredible health advantages of lemons, try drinking lemon water rather than drinks containing high fructose corn syrup. The ingredients you'll need for a glass are as follows. 8 ounces of water. Juice of 1-piece lemon, freshly squeezed. All you have to do is stir and drink to reap the following benefits. Now, let's talk about its many benefits. 1. Improves digestion. Lemon water is ideal if you have bloating, indigestion, or heartburn. Lemon's acid is comparable to the stomach's fluids in composition. You can keep your digestive tract in prime condition by drinking lemon water. 2. Detoxifies the liver or reduces fatty liver. The liver serves as the body's cleaning crew. It is a labor-intensive organ that merits all the support it can get, especially for those whose diets fall short of ideal. By increasing the flow of bile, which is necessary for digestion, lemon consumption prevents damage to the digestive system and the development of stomach ulcers. You may cleanse your liver and enhance your digestive system at the same time by consuming lemon water. 3. Improves the body's pH balance. Many individuals believe that consuming excessively acidic liquids does not maintain the pH balance of the body. Lemons have incredible alkalizing qualities, which the majority of people are unaware of. Your health will always be improved by increasing your alkalinity. 4. Keeps your skin healthy. Strong antioxidants found in lemons aid in the removal of pollutants and free radicals from the body. Your cells can repair more quickly, giving the appearance of younger, healthier skin since lemon water aids in the body's natural detoxification process. Drinking at least 1 glass of lemon water each day helps prevent skin elasticity from deteriorating after the age of 40. 5. Strengthens the immune system. It's always advantageous to have a robust immune system. You may strengthen your immune system and aid it in fighting off pathogens by consuming lemon water. Your immune system will continue to work at its peak levels since the lemon juice facilitates your body's absorption of iron. 6. Reduce cholesterol. If your gallbladder and liver is sluggish in producing bile that is required to remove excess cholesterol, lemon water helps increase the flow of bile in your bile duct and hence promotes in aiding the removal of excess cholesterol in your body. 7. Weight loss. Lemons are a good source of vitamin C, which aids calcium absorption into fat cells in the body. This raises metabolism and lowers the amount of fat that is stored in the body. If your metabolism picks up, whatever food you do eat will be burned off more rapidly than if it stays slow. This has two benefits since calcium also aids in lowering food cravings. 8. Helps inhibit cancer. Though drinking lemon water does not cure cancer, but the continuous drinking of it can inhibit certain types of cancers such as tongue, lungs, and colon cancer. Certain phytonutrients were able to kill malignant cancer cells. 9. Reduction of kidney stones. Citrate in lemon juice binds with oxalate, and oxalate is the main component of kidney stones. So with citrate acid from lemon taken every day will prevent kidney stones from occurring. People who has tendencies of having kidney stones are usually low in citrates. So if one is prone to kidney stones, make sure to increase the intake of lemon water. 10. Phytonutrients benefits. Lemon juice has a great amount of phytonutrients in it called naringin. This phytonutrients can potentially help in improving issues with hemorrhoids, leg sores, blood circulation, and spider or varicose veins. In fact, the same phytonutrient is being tested to cure Alzheimer's disease. Also, lemon juice has antibacterial and antiviral effects that can prevent infections. Drink lemon water to maintain your health. Lemons have amazing advantages that can only help you live a healthy, fulfilling life. Lemons aren't your only option, though. To add taste and health benefits to your water, you may add different fruits like watermelon, cucumber, raspberries, and strawberries, as well as herbs like mint or basil. Get imaginative and tell us what's on your mind. Thank you for watching.